Hello, I'm Dominic Hopkins. I'm Joint Head of the Central England Office of HCR Law, and I'm also a dispute resolution partner in the firm. Very much so. AI has the power to transform not just the way we do things, but what we do. We've got very used to communicating electronically. Pretty well everything we do now in terms of our communication is by electronic means. What artificial intelligence is doing, though, is helping us to support our clients in some fundamental ways. One of the things that clients come to us for is for us to give them a bit of a perspective on the merits of their case, what the evidence tells us in context of the law. And what AI enables us to do is to take the vast amounts of electronic evidence that are available, process that evidence, and produce a very coherent narrative of what that evidence means in terms of a legal case. So the client gets to understand the case much more quickly than might otherwise be the case. It might take us a long time to process vast amounts of electronic evidence, but AI enables us to process so much information much quicker, so we can get to an outcome for a client much quicker too. And what that means as well is that we can do so much more cost effectively. Not at all. AI is an enormous support for what we do as dispute resolution lawyers in helping our clients and serving our clients' interests. But it is a functional thing where clients come to us to help us solve relationship issues, whether that's a relationship issue between a business and another business or between individuals. So AI is a tool in the box for us, but not a replacement for what the lawyer does. It's important for those involved in professional service, such as the law, legal services, that we maintain the standards expected of us in terms of our accuracy. And at the moment, AI, although it's made enormous strides in the developments that have been taking place over the recent past in improving its accuracy, it remains susceptible to errors and what are known as hallucinations. And the courts themselves have made it very clear that there's little forgiveness to us in the evidence that we present to the court or the submissions that we make in ensuring their accuracy. So we have to be very clear about the integrity of the sources of information upon which we rely. That means we have to check our sources. We can't rely upon AI to provide the answer to the question. It is a tool. The developments that have taken place in AI recently are breathtaking in what they can do. The processing of information is quite staggering, but it's not a replacement for what is the most remarkable thing that we have as human beings, which is our brains. Our brains physiologically and chemically operate in a way that no AI operates. And even today, scientists are at a loss to understand how the brain works. But our brains, the intelligence that we bring as human beings to a situation, which includes our emotional intelligence, are not to be found in artificial intelligence, however clever and however well developed the AI is at the moment. Of course, things may develop in future, but at the moment, there is no replacement really for the lawyer at the heart of dispute resolution. All that being said, the firm is already reaping the benefits of the investment that it has made in a secure AI system, trialled and tested to ensure that it fits the needs of both our lawyers and our clients. But we're also very keen to hear the client's perspective on the use of AI in the services that we provide. So please do contact us, and we'd be delighted to hear what you have to say on the subject.